Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. And today I'm riding towards Kurseong from Siliguri. So in this video I'll be showing some views and nature of Kurseong road. So do follow and continue to support. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share too. So here we are, let's go on ride. Many things have happened since the world was first created, including the entrance of sin into a perfect world. However, we can still enjoy the beauty of nature today and see many wonders of God's creation and how they reflect His glory. And so I'm so much captivated by these views and seeing how beautifully God has created. And I was so speechless seeing all these views and His creation. Friends, we can encounter God's presence in His work, in church or in small group Bible study and prayer. But the presence of the Lord can be seen in almost everything around us. And nature is also a reflection of God, and we can see Him through all He has created and see His views. How beautiful He has created. And just reflect on by yourself how God has created the world, the universe, even us in His own image. And now, here we are in Brother Yogi's house, having a meal together. Hello, I'm here at Kurseong, and this is a beautiful view point where I am staying. Right now I stop here. I thank my studio also for taking me up here. And you know, I've got a beautiful view behind me. You can just see the view, see. So good job. It's a beautiful view. You can come up here and see, you know, you can get the picture also.
After so many days of riding scooty.
It was a good experience coming up to Kurseong. You can see this is the view of Kurseong, okay? The houses are built like that. The weather is so cold. And Pastor is riding, so I could able to capture the view nicely. So we are here in Hanuman Road. This is a beautiful view of Kurseong. You can see the buildings and the tower and on the hilltop. And also this is the way we will be going back on this road. So good. Yeah. So Pastor is here. See the pine tree. Just come up here and relax. The sky is very clear today. The weather is so good. ambi boring lagi ase bole idokan jaga de aigena bishi bhalba time spend koribo paribo manu bishi nagai ede tabisab amis makiko so manu bishi noksa kan lo ase tourist kan bishi berai so all are tourists here and they have big cameras but we are here shooting by phone. This is the Hanuman, so they came to this road. Kurseong. नहीं के लिए रुके हो ना चल तो साल लगा ऐसे मोबाइल coming from that way. Maybe be a shining light to the people, a shining light. So if you enjoy watching this view and all, kindly subscribe to my channel, keep supporting, and we'll be bringing the views like this, the traveling vlog also. At the same time we'll be broadcasting time to time, so keep updating and keep update. Go home. Get about to time to see the views. It's too hot here, it's too sunny. You're becoming more black. Oh, Nagaland, there I say. We are step back here in one restaurant to have a coffee. You can also perform the songs in that area. Sarangai. So here is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching and keep supporting. Yeah, thank you and see you in the next video.